I'm taking recycled envelopes and showing you how to turn them into something a little unexpected. These aren't your typical pockets. I'm going to walk you through 3 very different ways to use them in your journal. And the third one, let's just say, completely changes how you'll look at an envelope.
Museful creations, crafted soulfully.
The first one is more of an artistic piece. This design that I'm doing, basically freehand style, is a butterfly wing, but it's still functional. And you'll see as we move along the different places that I will show you how to incorporate a hidden journaling spot and a couple of other pockets and even space behind it. Make sure you're on a self-healing mat, or if you have a smaller one, this is how I decided to use it in between the envelope. And I'm going to cut directly into the top layer with my craft knife. Please use caution because it's super important that you're mindful of that. Next, grab a scrap piece of paper or a digital paper of choice and place it underneath the butterfly wing that you just cut. And you're going to trace that and then cut it out. And then what you'll do is apply glue on that top cover of the butterfly, but you're going to do just slightly on the bottom and the tops of the wings, but not completely seal it. And then on the left side strip, if you will, as I'm showing you here, and then you'll glue that onto the pre-cut wing, and that will be your first pocket. Now I bring in my stamps. I'm using a couple of Q2 sheets that I will be releasing really soon to build the focal and tie everything together. Here I'm showing you how I will cover the flap because that flap will become very important. You'll see in a second. And then I also took a piece of digital paper and I created a pocket on the back. And what I do is I'll glue the left, the bottom, and the right side. And now here's pocket number 2 behind the butterfly wings and pocket number 3 on the top of the back of your envelope. And look how nicely you can remove that self-adhesive strip to attach it to the end of your page. And here's make number 1. Next is make number 2. For the second one, I'm using the same idea but turning it into a tag. I just traced out the shape and cut it directly from the envelope. And because you already saw how the pocket works, I kept this one simple. Now you've got a side pocket and you've got another space behind it from the envelope itself. It's quite functional and really easy to create. But the third one, this is where it changes. I'm using a craft envelope and a second one to help map out my cuts. Now I'm using my self-healing mat, sliding it inside so I can cut directly into the front of the envelope. Those 2 slits give me my first and second pockets. Then up here at the flap, I'm slicing across but not all the way through, so once I seal it, that creates another pocket at the top. I'm now going to show you my glue lines to create the pockets. So I glue above the first slit and that gives me pocket number 1. Then I'll glue above the second slit and that creates the next one. Now, what I decided to do is create 3 smaller pockets to cover the front And what I do is I create another pocket by just gluing the left, the bottom, and the right. So it gives you a total of literally 7 pockets, as you'll see next. So have you ever thought about cutting into your envelope instead of just folding it? Most of the time we're adding layers to create pockets, but this video pushes you to look at it differently. Let me know if you try it. Thanks so much for spending some time with me, and I look forward to seeing you this Thursday during my live. Please like and subscribe.